Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hey you, that's right, you watching. You see that little red button below? Click on it and a magical thing will happen. It's called subscribe, and if you click that little bell button, anytime I do a video, you'll be alerted so you will not miss out on any of the awesome things that we do here. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to remove your makeup. Because I'll be honest, when I started wearing makeup, I had no idea how to remove it properly. So if you're interested in that, just keep watching. So I'll be honest with you guys, up until about a few weeks ago, I had no idea how to remove makeup at all. So I thought that you just grab one of these little wipes and I just, rub. But after removing my makeup, I would realize that my eyes would hurt so bad and I just understand why. And then I realized what I was doing was not good. The way I was removing my makeup was not good and not proper. So I'm going to teach you guys so you guys don't make the same mistake. So if you don't have makeup wipes, I would highly recommend them. I got these makeup wipes. They're $25 for $1 and they're coconut scented. Maybe they were $2. So I would just go ahead and take your makeup wipe like this. I would fold it for more support and I would start wiping down this portion. Do not touch your eye at all. Just go ahead and remove it nicely. Try not to do more than one swipe because any more it's just rubbing up against your face and it's kind of making your face sore. So go ahead and wipe it. Make sure to remove all of it. So this is what we have so far. I would go ahead and fold it again and just take off your lips. There we go. And just know it's okay if you don't get it all off. Don't keep scrubbing and scrubbing. That's the number one thing you don't want to do. The hardest part is eyes because your eyes are really sensitive. Don't be like me and keep rubbing them. That's bad. So what I bought are these little cotton rounds. They're 100% cotton and I bought them from the dollar store and there's 80 in here. So that's not bad. Next, you can use any type of makeup water. You can use makeup oil. However, I do recommend if you use oil to be careful because it can get in your eye and it can burn them. So I'm going to use coconut oil. It doesn't burn if it gets in your eye. You still want to be careful though because if you get it in your eye and it gets cold, guess what happens when coconut oil is cold. So you're just going to take a little bit of coconut oil, you're going to rub it through your fingers and that's going to melt it. And then you're just going to tap that lightly on your eye. And make sure not to close them too tight or it's not going to be able to get it on there. And just rub gently. Gently. This is the thing I cannot stress out enough. Be very gentle with your eye because we don't want to cause damage. Do this for a few minutes. Another technique which is easier I believe is if you put the cotton round on your eye and just kind of pat it. Try to avoid wiping very hard. Sometimes you have to, but you can try patting a little and then try just wiping really lightly. And also, it is okay if you get coconut oil in your eye. It'll just make your vision a little fuzzy, but it will not hurt it at all. So here's the cotton pads. And I would recommend not using as much coconut oil because I got some in my eye and my vision's a little foggy, but it's okay. It's not going to hurt you. It's all natural. It's fine for your eyes. So now what I like to do is I like to go ahead and just wash my face and wash any of the oils, maybe some of the makeup that was missed. Now we're going to go ahead and apply moisturizer. And it's going to go away anyway. Remember, when you take a hot shower or something, your coconut oil is going to melt anyway and it's going to come out of your eye. So don't worry about that, guys. Versus getting, makeup oil in your eye, that could, I don't think that's actually natural or healthy. So the makeup removal, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do have any questions, leave it below. And thanks for watching my channel and I hope to see you guys again.